Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching How to Fix Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to save your mobile data on your Windows 10, 11 and other version of Windows if the consumption of your data is more and not up to your expectations. So I'm going to show you how to save and how to reduce the consumption of the data so that you can save your data. Startup apps are those apps which runs automatically when you reboot your system. Okay, so disabling that, you need to go to the taskbar option, then click on the task manager option here. Click on task manager. Once you click on task manager, the task manager page will open. You need to go to the startup, okay, the startup tab, and disable the startup tab. Select it and click on disable. Okay, only you need to leave this app. This is the Windows security notification app. You need to leave it as default enable, and other apps you can disable that. Disable does not mean that these apps will not run on your Windows. When you manually open the apps, you can open those. Okay, after disabling all the startup apps which are not in your use, you need to go to the disable Windows update. Since Windows update run automatically inside your background with your data as well, so you need to disable that for some time. Go to start menu, type as services. Okay, you will see here services app. Click on this option. Once you click on this option, click on anywhere on the here services and look for Windows update. You need to press W and then look for Windows update. You can see this is the Windows update. Double click on it. In my case, startup type, I have already disabled this and status is also not running. Okay, double click on it to disable, and startup type, disable it. And if the service status is running, you need to stop it. I will show you how you can do that. Okay, like say, like in your system it is automatic and running, you need to select the disable here. Okay, and then click on the stop. Then you need to click on apply and then click on OK. Now you can see the Windows update is disabled, which I have already enabled. You can re-enable it after 15 days or 30 days. Okay, you need to make sure that you need to follow the same step and then make it automatic and start the services. Now we have enabled two services to save your data. Now go to the third method. In the third method, we need to go to the start menu here. Okay, click on this. You can see more apps here. Okay, these apps, if you don't use, you can directly right click on that app and uninstall it. Like I don't use these apps. Okay, I need to uninstall this. Okay, these apps, uninstall. If you don't want to uninstall these apps, you can right click on it, then go to more options and click on this option, turn live tile on. And now you can see, again click on this more, and you can see the option turn live tile off. You need to click on this option, turn live tile off. Click on this option. Okay, click on this turn live tile off. Okay, whether this option. Okay, click on this. Okay, after enabling these services, you need to click on the connected network here. Okay, I have connected with this network. Click on this option and go to its properties. Once you click on this option, you need to enable this option, meter connection. If you have limited data plans and want more control over data, you need to enable this option, set as meter connection. Click on this option and enable this option. Your system will automatically recognize that you have limited data and it will not consume the data. Okay, so these are the 4 steps your data should be reduced, and check if your issue is solved or not. Hope your issue is fixed as well and your data is less. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.